is Heather Phillips, and I'm the Customer Success Lead at Tiller Money. Today we're in Bainbridge Island doing a team building and team culture exercise to learn more about each other and where we see the vision of Tiller. Some of the things we did today were actually really fun. Like, we did this helium stick exercise, which was one of the team building ones where we had to keep this tent pole from floating up. We had to make it to the ground, and it was really interesting to see how the team personalities came out during that exercise. Our team really cares about each other and about our customers. We really strive to make sure that customers get onboarded quickly and that they can use the tool in an effective way and an efficient way. It's not only this tool, but it's also the way that we communicate with our customers, the way we interact with our customers, and really care for them being able to use the tool in a way that makes sense to them and the way that they want to manage their money. As far as values go, really strongly get behind the value of optimism. We believe that not only can we as a team empower people with a tool that will help them realize their financial dreams and goals and understand their money, but we also empower each other to make decisions and to see the future of Tiller as bright as we believe it to be.